Why trying harder is making you more miserable. First off, trying harder a lot of times becomes more of a distraction than anything else. Most men don't fail because they quit. They fail because they refuse to change who they've been and who they've been being. Let me challenge your beliefs, one that you've probably been carrying around with you for years. Hard work fixes everything. Hard work does not fix everything. It doesn't. Hard work without alignment creates exhaustion, resentment, and quiet despair. So, the real truth, you don't need more discipline. You need the right structures for who you are now. Who you are now. Discipline is powerful. Don't get me wrong, it truly is. But discipline applied in the wrong identity is like punishment. You're not going to get where you want to be. You're not going to become who it is that you want to become or need to become for you to move forward and to continue to prosper. That is why you feel tight instead of calm, busy instead of fulfilled, accomplished but empty. You're disciplined, but towards a life that no longer fits. So we need to create a new pattern. What men experience here is what I see over and over again. Men say, I don't know what's wrong with me. I should be grateful. I don't understand. I've done everything right. And they have. They truly have. They've planned their work and worked their plan based on who they were when they were trying to work that plan. Well, now you need to be another person. And when I say another person, I don't necessarily mean somebody else. You just need to become a better version of you and understand that some changes need to be made. So, doing the right things is, again, a beautiful thing because you have done the right things. But the rules changed internally, and no one gave you a new manual for how you're supposed to operate moving forward. So you keep trying to force the old rules, the old ways, the old decisions, the old types of ways that you took and handled things and did things. But there comes a time when you have a reckoning point. And the realization is trying harder isn't noble. It is the root and rooted in fear. Fear of losing status, fear of disappointing others, fear of committing your outgrown old life. Again, it's a change, and it's a scary change, but it's one that you can make, that you can take, and that you can actually excel at. But growth always demands discomfort, not chaos, discomfort, and not chaotic discomfort. Intentional discomfort is what we need to try to look at. So we need to come and make a decision. We need to draw a line and make the shift. Peace doesn't come from effort. It comes from structure. Structure that supports who you want to become or who you're wanting to become. So if you want to move forward with your life, some adjustments need to be made, but you have to make that decision. Nobody can make it for you. So peace is built and structure is the foundation. The rebuild process and a practical framework. Here's what rebuilding looks like in real life. In real life, this is actually what it looks like. One, you want to audit energy. So audit your energy, not just your time. What drains you? What stabilizes you? Again, what drains you and what stabilizes you? Number two, you want to redefine discipline as protection. Structure isn't control. It's containment for peace. Number three, install fewer rules, but better ones. Some of the old rules or some of the complicated rules that you have, they no longer exist. So simple systems beat complex goals. So create some simple systems that you can follow to make sure that you've got your checks and balances in place. Number four, align your structure with your season. What worked for you at 30 may not work at 45. or what worked for you at 45 may not work at 55 or 65. It may be time for you to make some adjustments in how you carry yourself, how you conduct yourself. And I'm not saying get rid of your ethics, your morals, any of those things. I'm saying make the little corrections that you need to make so that you can prosper and move forward in everything that you do, your work, your career, your family, your communications, your loved ones, all of those things. So ask yourself tonight, am I trying to win or am I trying to become whole? Your answer tells you everything. The answer that you tell yourself, the answer that you get will tell you everything. So with that, what's within you is greater than the pressures that you're under. This is a phase. Isn't asking you to quit. So this phase isn't asking you to quit. It's asking you to make some adjustments to continue to grow. It's asking you to rebuild with intention. And when a structure finally matches your identity, discipline stops feeling like punishment and it starts feeling like peace. Again, this is Mr. Z Inspires. If you guys want more, again, you can go to mrzinspires.com and I welcome to hear from you. Again, mrzinspires.com. Thank you for your time and you guys have a great day.